Good day to everyone. I'm Dane Cowling, founder of the Communications Group and industrial manufacturing leader.
And I'm James Inwood, the Industrial B2B Project Coordinator here at the Communications Group.
We're here to give a shout out and a salute to all the men and women that make industry in the United States the strongest in the world because it's National Manufacturing Day. American manufacturers have been the backbone of the United States economy for over 100 years and is still growing strong, thank goodness. And if you think about it, from toothpicks to the NASA space shuttle, American manufacturers contribute to every aspect of our daily lives. And when you think about it, almost everything you see, eat, or touch is manufactured. And thank goodness much of it is still made right here in the good old USA.
So to celebrate, we wanted to share with you 5 facts that you probably didn't know about manufacturing in the United States.
5 facts that may change your perspective and value of the importance of manufacturing to you and to our great country. So here we go with James. Number 1.
Number 1, did you know that in the first quarter of 2018, U.S. manufacturers contributed $2.3 trillion to the U.S. economy? That's over $9 trillion a year. That's a lot of money.
Just give me 10% of it and I'll go away.
Give me 1% and I'll go away.
Okay. Number 2.
Deal.
Did you know that taken alone, manufacturing in the U.S. would be the 9th largest economy in the world?
Number 3, did you know that in 2017, the average U.S. manufacturing worker earned more than $84,000 a year, including pay and benefits? And that's just the average. If you're employed in manufacturing and you just know that opportunities to grow and move up the ladder and make even more money is there if you want it. There's so many opportunities.
Point number 4. Did you know that manufacturers have one of the highest percentages of workers who are eligible for health insurance benefits? We don't have to tell you how important it is with the rising cost of insurance and health care that is needed every day by you and your family, how critical it is a part of your life.
And number 5, lastly, but not least, did you know that over the next decade, nearly 3.5 million manufacturing jobs will be needed, and that almost 2 million are expected to go unfilled due to the skills gap created in the last 30 years? Why is that stat so important to you? Well, if you're undecided in your career path, a job in manufacturing is going to be an excellent choice because the demand is going to be there.
Demand will always be there and it'll always go up. That's one thing we do now. Well, thank you for joining in. Thank you for listening. Our company's been working with industrial manufacturers for over 30 years, and we've seen firsthand that manufacturing is absolutely the lifeblood of our country. Without it, our country couldn't survive as we know it. And to us, every day is manufacturing day. So thank you for taking a few minutes to learn more about one of the most important economic sectors of our great country, and we'll leave you with this last thought.
Buy American and help keep the U.S. at the top of the manufacturing world.
Go USA.
Bye.